How to gift an Uber Eats order to someone else. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Did you know now you could send Uber Eats order to someone else as a gift? Yes. So for this, first of all, let's download the application. Head over to Play Store and search for Uber Eats app. You simply want to download and install this application on your device. Launch the app and log in using your credentials. Uber Eats recently introduced a feature enabling you to send food and drinks to friends or family by changing the address to theirs. You can, along with it, send a gift card regarding the order. You can also share real time delivery updates with the recipient even if they do not have the Uber Eats app. This service is available regardless of the recipient's location. First of all, choose a restaurant and the items. So click on it and then scroll down through the different items. Select the item that you have chosen and then type in add to basket. Once you have picked the items you want to order, next up you have to go to the checkout section and then update the delivery address. On the checkout page, you can change the delivery address to the recipients, provide details such as building type, additional address information, delivery instruction, and a address label. Also, then you have to proceed to payment by adding a payment method. Once that is done, go back to the delivery page and scroll down a bit. Hereby, you should see the option of gift card just below the order summary. Hereby, you can send as a gift. So, add a customized digital card. This requires you to give your name and the recipient's name, their phone number, and customize the sharing link as well. You can even add a video and record a video for yourself along with a note. So, this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.